Hey there, this is Storm Streams. Quick update for today. This may not apply to you, but a crazy thunderstorm did happen. So that shows you that even if there's a light green risk, okay, you can hear that in the background. That's not so good. Severe thunderstorm warning for where I am. So let's look at the radar real quick to see what we have here. Radar. Yes, that red is like right where I am. Around where I am. No, not that red. This red. Yeah. There we go. So, that explains it. So, yep. Be careful if you're in this area. Severe thunderstorm right now.